Hello and welcome back everyone to next episode on anubhavtrainings.com. In our last session, we have seen how to create a connection from our S4HANA system in SAP Analytics Cloud consuming its OData service. We've seen the basics of OData and the kind of data we are supplying from S4HANA and how to establish a secure connection to our SAP S4HANA system from SAC Connections tab. After this connection is created, this is a continuation video where we will learn how to create the model and analyze the data and also schedule auto updates of data. In the next session, I'm going to also show you building a story on top of same. So let's get started. We'll switch over back to our Analytics Cloud system and we will resume where we stopped in the last video. We go to the Modeler tab and now we choose a data source to create a data model. In this, we are going to choose OData service and we will immediately choose the connection which we've created in the last session for OData. I select that, I click on next, and now system is automatically going to contact our SAP OData service and it fills up our screen with all the list of available entity sets. I would like to create a new query with a name, or we can leave it empty because the moment we choose an entity set, system will automatically kept the query name as same. So let me want to analyze the sales order data. I will select that and you can see it has automatically filled here sales orders. I will click on next button. We can also go ahead and design a freehand query, but for this example, it is good to go with a standard query. I click on next and now system shows me all the properties which are available for that entity set. I'm going to drag drop everything. Additionally, we can configure here filters if you wanted to load data for selected data source, and I can click on create button. System is automatically going to import the data now from our OData and it is going to be saved in a draft data source. A draft data source is where the data is kept for 7 days and afterwards it will get automatically deleted if the model is not realized. I will click on this draft data. System will open up a preview of our draft data including all the properties which we chosen. And you can see this is my imported data to Analytics Cloud. I can apply all sorts of analysis. I can do data wrangling, I can do data transformation, and whatever processing I would like to do, I can perform. For example, some of the records I would like to change the order status to, let's say, blocked. So I'm just going to go and change my data here right away. Double click and say B. And I can apply the change. You can see. You can apply complex transformations. That is also possible. I will also say D, delivered. We can join columns, we can create hierarchies, we can geo enrich our data set as well. This is also possible on this data because it's an acquired data. And as you all know, all the smart features will also work on the acquired data set. We are good with this change and now it's time that we create our model. Click on create model. Models are the foundation for building stories in Analytics Cloud. So let's go to Analytics Cloud, models, BI models, and I'm going to save our model as a BI model. So in our training of Analytics Cloud with Anubhav Trainings, you are not just going to learn Analytics Cloud, but also going to learn the best practices for working with SAP Analytics Cloud. I have saved it, and now my model is going to get created in few seconds. So that's it from my side on today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos like this. And I will see you in my next video with building a story on top of this model. Thanks for staying in tune. Have a nice day and goodbye.